SHAKO Company Limited was founded in 1980 and is now Taiwan's leading manufacturer of pneumatic components. The company in 1982 developed the plug-in fittings, and again in 1987 established the Sanchuan factory to produce solenoid valve and FRL combinations. In 1997, the new Taoyuan factory was expanded and was equipped with the most modern production facilities and innovative production processes. Later in 1999, the ISO 6431 standard cylinder was successfully developed. Again in 2000, the compact cylinder was put into production. Since 2005, the SUS 316 stainless steel FRL combinations have been put into full-scale production. And starting from 2006, the ISO 6430 standard cylinder and ISO 6432 stainless steel round cylinder have been built. Adhering to the business idea of customer first, we have established a robust sales network and satisfied after-sale service. Professional production, leading technology. With persistent exploration of cutting-edge technology in the pneumatic industry, SHAKO maintains its leading position in the industrial manufacturing. The advanced lathes and milling equipment are introduced, and from materials procurement to finished product and assembly, it is fully automated and controlled by computers to improve product quality and to continuously increase production and delivery efficiency. Precise inspection, excellent quality. With excellent testing equipment, the company was awarded in 2007 National Level 2 Laboratory Certification in the pressure resistance and leak test, in accordance with ISO IEC 17025 2005 standard, laboratory number 1741. The company fully implements the highest standard of product inspection, with which incoming materials are inspected by MIL STD 105E Level 2 sampling standard, and the instruments used include calipers, micrometer, digital indicator, 2.5 dimension projector, surface roughness tester, rubber hardness tester, spring tension tester. In addition to full implementation of the ISO 9001 quality management systems, the most advanced precision equipment are used for product inspection, which include digital pressure meter, computer applications, air leak tester, pressure resistance tester, and flow tester. The full series of SPU 220A and SPU 225A have also passed the CE and ATEX explosion-proof certification, which proves SHAKO's product qualities have reached the highest standard. Diversified products, worthy of trust. Xingong has a full range of products with world-leading quality and has obtained many patent certificates by means of our excellent design and R&D. The air treatment series includes FRL combinations, 2-unit FRL combinations, filter regulator, filter, regulator, lubricator. The solenoid valve series includes 5-port and 3-port solenoid valve series, 5-port and 3-port pneumatic valve series, 2-port valve series, mechanical valve, hand valve, and foot valve. The pneumatic cylinder series includes the standard cylinder, stainless steel round cylinder, aluminum round cylinder, jig cylinder, double rod cylinder, 3-rod cylinder, guide cylinder, multi-position fixing cylinder, pneumatic rodless cylinder, mini parallel clamp and Y-type clamp, other valves and auxiliary component series. All the product series have been widely applied to the industrial fields of automation equipment, automotive assembly, medication, electronic machinery. Excellent innovation, global marketing. Based on the operation philosophy of stability, service, and integrity, we will continue to pursue excellence and innovation, integrate our professional team and huge cooperative subcontractors, continue researching and developing to make progress, and strive for higher quality. Our marketing network is all over more than 40 countries in the world. We are the leader in the field of pneumatic component makers.